Pause for a moment, take a deep breath, because this is your moment to rise again. Welcome to the Daily Inspirational Motivation Channel, a sanctuary for your heart and soul. Here, you'll find words that gently heal, softly empower, and remind you of a truth your heart has been longing to hear. You are already enough. You've walked through fire and survived storms, yet you're still here. That's not weakness. That's pure strength. Close your eyes if it feels safe. Let each word sink deep into your soul. Let your heart soften and your breath slow. You are safe here. I forgive myself for doubting my worth. I release all blame for what I didn't know before. I understand now. The hurt I carried was never mine to keep. I release guilt, shame, and regret. I am free to step fully into my light. Every inhale fills me with calm. Every exhale lets go of the heaviness I've carried too long. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I am learning to love myself exactly as I am. My past does not define me. I create my future with every loving thought I hold today. Every scar is proof of my courage. Every tear has softened my heart with compassion. I give myself permission to heal. I allow rest to nourish my spirit. I welcome growth and new beginnings. When fears rise, I meet them with courage. When doubts whisper, I meet them with kindness. I choose peace. I choose love. I choose me. There was a time I believed I wasn't enough, that my voice didn't matter. But now, I see clearly. I was never broken. I was always whole. Those who tried to dim my light couldn't succeed because my light was never theirs to control. I honor my feelings. I set boundaries that protect my peace. I listen to the quiet wisdom within me. Every step forward matters. Even on hard days, I remind myself, healing is not a straight path, and that's okay. I forgive myself for being human. I celebrate myself for surviving. I embrace the beautiful person I'm becoming. I trust the journey ahead. I know that joy, love, and abundance are flowing my way. If these words have touched your heart, share one affirmation in the comments below. Your words may inspire someone else to heal too. My time and energy are sacred. I choose to spend them with people who honor my soul. I release the pain of the past. I open my heart to peace and love. I deserve to live fully without fear. As this session ends, remember, you are not your pain. You are not your past. You are your own light. Be patient. Be kind. Keep coming back to this space whenever your heart needs reminding. You are enough. You always were, and you always will be. Take one last deep breath. Smile softly and whisper, I love the person I am becoming. We're so proud of you. Stay gentle. Stay brave. Keep shining.